Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the ultimate crypto portfolio tracker, a comprehensive, automated spreadsheet designed to help you monitor, manage, and analyze all your cryptocurrency holdings efficiently. You can track each coin, monitor investments, calculate gains or losses, and view detailed analytics, all in one place. Before we get started, I want to mention that some tabs in this tracker are protected. This keeps all formulas, summaries, and automated calculations running smoothly. If you try to edit a protected cell, you'll see a pop-up message. You can check the box and click OK to make changes, or press Cancel to leave everything as is. These protections ensure that your portfolio calculations stay accurate, so you can focus on tracking your crypto investments without worrying about breaking anything. Next, head over to the Instructions tab. In this tab, you'll find the Authorize Securely button. Clicking it will prompt Google to grant access for live crypto data, a required feature that enables automatic updates of real-time cryptocurrency prices and performance metrics directly in your spreadsheet. It's completely safe and secure, as the authorization is handled directly through your Google account, ensuring your data and privacy remain fully protected. Next, let's move to the Setup tab. In this tab, you'll configure the foundation of your crypto portfolio tracker. First, enter the username. Then you'll find designated list where you can enter all your wallets and exchanges. Once you've entered these details, they will automatically be applied across the entire tracker. Next, let's move to the Transaction Log tab. This is where you'll record every crypto transaction in a structured and consistent way. Start by entering the date, followed by the asset name and its symbol. Then, select the exchange or platform where the transaction took place. Next, specify the transaction and type, for example, buy, sell, transfer, or any other supported action. After that, enter the quantity and the price per unit along with any fees associated with the transaction. The total cost will be calculated automatically based on your inputs, ensuring accurate and consistent calculations across the tracker. You can then update the status of the transaction if needed, and use the Notes column to add any extra details, such as strategy, context, or important remarks. All entries in this tab feed directly into the rest of the spreadsheet. This means your portfolio balances, performance metrics, and dashboards update automatically in real time. Because this tab powers the entire system, it's important to keep your entries accurate and complete to maintain a reliable and fully functional crypto portfolio tracker. Next, let's move to the Crypto Portfolio tab. This tab is fully automated and pulls together all the data from your transaction log, setup, and other relevant tabs to give you a complete, real-time view of your portfolio. You'll see a global overview of all your crypto assets, including each coin's quantity, value, and performance. The tracker also integrates live crypto market data, so prices, market caps, and other key metrics are updated automatically, giving you an accurate picture of your portfolio's current worth. In addition to raw data, the tab includes summaries and charts for easy tracking. The Crypto Portfolio tab is designed to provide a clear, comprehensive, and dynamic snapshot of your investments. Everything is fully automated, so you can focus on managing your crypto strategy and making informed decisions without worrying about manual calculations or data inconsistencies. Next, we'll head over to the Crypto Watchlist tab. This tab is pre-filled with 100 major cryptocurrencies and includes live data for each coin, such as current price, market cap, 24-hour volume, 24-hour price change, and other key metrics. The watch list is fully automated, so all values update in real time based on market movements, giving you an accurate snapshot of the crypto market at any moment. At the top of the tab, you'll find key metrics, providing insights into overall market trends, top gainers, losers, and other important performance indicators. This makes it easy to monitor potential investments, track market trends, and stay informed about your favorite cryptocurrencies. Finally, let's return to the Dashboard tab. This tab is fully automated, pulling data from all other tabs to provide a comprehensive and real-time overview of your portfolio. The dashboard provides a global overview of your crypto portfolio, including total portfolio value, allocations by coin, and overall performance. Summaries and key metrics are presented clearly, so you can quickly see your gains, losses, and distribution. To make tracking even easier, the dashboard includes visually intuitive charts and graphs. These display portfolio allocation and performance over time, giving you a quick, digestible snapshot of your crypto holdings. It also includes a quick coin research feature. Simply enter any coin symbol, and the related data will instantly populate in real time. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the Crypto Portfolio Tracker spreadsheet. If you have any questions, need extra guidance, or want tips on using the spreadsheet more effectively, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.